Today, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Google Workspace Labs. This is Google's experimental platform where you can test out new AI features and tools before they're released to everyone, giving you early access to cutting-edge productivity features that can enhance your workflow. First, open your browser and type in https://workspace.google.com/labs-sign-upis/ in the address bar. This will take you directly to the sign-up page for Workspace Labs. It's important to use this specific URL as it's the official gateway to accessing these experimental features. Once you're on the page, take a moment to verify that you're logged into the correct Google account. This matters because Workspace Labs access is tied to specific accounts, and you'll want to ensure you're using the account where you need these features. If you're not in the right account, switch to it before proceeding. Next, you'll need to read through the privacy rules that appear on the screen. Google provides these to explain how your data will be handled while using experimental features. Since these are test features, understanding the privacy implications is essential before moving forward. You'll also need to review the terms of service. This document outlines the rules and conditions for participating in Workspace Labs. Take a moment to scroll through and understand what you're agreeing to, as these experimental features may have different guidelines than standard Google Workspace tools. After reviewing the documents, you'll see a consumer acknowledgement section. Here, click the box if you agree to the Workspace Labs terms and privacy notice. This confirms that you've read and accept the conditions for using these experimental features. Below that, you'll find another checkbox asking if you'd like to be contacted regarding tips, feature updates, offers, and opportunities to share feedback. Click this box if you want to stay informed about new features and improvements. This is optional but recommended if you want to get the most out of Workspace Labs. For the final requirement, acknowledge that you are 18 years of age or older by clicking the appropriate box. This age verification is necessary to participate in the program. Once you've completed all these steps, click Submit. Google will process your request and you'll gain access to Workspace Labs, allowing you to explore and test new features as they become available. Thanks for watching.